Unmasking Capgras Syndrome when loved ones become strangers. Have you ever imagined your loved ones as imposters? Today, we're diving into the world of Capgras Syndrome, a rare psychological disorder that blurs the line between reality and perception. Imagine looking into the eyes of your closest companion and feeling a chilling disconnect despite the resemblance. Capgras Syndrome is a fascinating delusional disorder. People with Capgras Syndrome hold on to an unwavering belief that their family members or friends or pets have been replaced by identical-looking imposters. Researchers theorize that Capgras may stem from brain miscommunication, where regions responsible for recognizing faces and triggering emotions don't sync. In the brain, recognizing a familiar face is tied to emotional response. Capgras Syndrome challenges this connection, leading to a surreal experience. Imagine what it's like for someone with Capgras Syndrome. Can you imagine the world where your loved ones appear as strangers? Share your thoughts below. Let's foster compassion and awareness together. If you found this reel insightful, follow for more intriguing psychology content.